The Nobel Prize was awarded to Otto Hahn. But without my work, the discovery would never have been understood, and history forgot my name.
I was born in Vienna in 1878, at a time when girls were not expected to become scientists. Physics fascinated me. Numbers, atoms, energy. I wanted to understand the universe, and I refused to stay invisible. In Berlin, I began working with Otto Hahn. Together, we studied the atom and changed science forever. Then the world changed. I was Jewish, and in Nazi Germany, that became a death sentence. Even in exile, I never stopped working. And then I understood the fission of the atom. The world would never be the same. From Sweden, I kept sending my calculations to Otto Hahn. We were still working together, even from different countries. Years later, the Nobel Prize was awarded, but not to me. My name was left out. History remembered only him. Otto Hahn performed the experiment, but without my interpretation, the discovery would never have been understood. Yet the Nobel Prize was awarded to him alone, and Otto Hahn never truly defended my place in history.